one.
I pulled it 2 times.
I know, it's perfect. Exactly what we wanted. I don't know, I kind of like it better with 4 from a distance. I just don't like the pattern. If I was going to install this as a 4-blade fan, I'd probably steal the rotor out of the 4-blade version. Oh, you want to turn that blender fan off, Andy?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a square right here.
It does look like a square. That's the part I don't like about when it has 4. Okay, you want to turn it to medium? Medium, 0.84. I'll turn it to high. It goes pretty strong on medium.
Uh-oh.
Right.
That's medium, low, off, high.
There
I feel air coming from right here.
You should. Let's see which does more on higher, or I mean, 4 blades or 5. It's the same directly underneath. A little bit more with 4 in my opinion. It's interesting, the last original I tested, I thought for sure there was more with 5.
How come there's more?
More air?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 5 more air.
Well, because blades are heavy, and moving air is heavy, and so putting less blades on it means it can go faster.
So if you put 2 blades on it, it'll give a whole bunch of air.
It might, but there comes a point where it doesn't matter how many blades you take off, it can't go any faster. That's different for every one.
I think we should do a video trying a fan with just 2 blades.
What fan do you want to do that with?
Any fan.
Can you pull it to off?
Didn't somebody...
It's on medium right now, sweetie. I don't think you're pulling it hard enough. Low, off. Then do the black switch.
Didn't somebody modify an original so they could put 3 blades on it?
I think so, yeah. I think that might have been John Shelley. He did a lot of unusual restorations like that. Yeah, I don't think I have anything chrome. I was trying to think. I mean, not ceiling fan wise. That freshened air at the bottom of the stairs is chrome if you want to look at that. I don't, excuse me, I don't think I have any chrome ceiling fans. Okay, when it stops, you want to turn it to low?
Yeah, they weren't too common.
I have a brown and chrome Terra. I don't have all the parts to it though, it's just the motor.
Mm.
It's a really ugly finish combination. Because with Terras, you could order any combination of finishes you wanted.
Mm.
Did you
You could have.
Did you say Tara?
Uh-huh.
That sounds like one of my friends' names.
I know, it's also the name of a fan that I like.
That's her name, Tara.
0.32.
Yeah.
You want to turn it to medium?
You know that fan above Grandma's kitchen table?
Or the dining room
Dining
table?
room table, yeah.
0.84. That's called Terra.
That's a Terra, yeah.
Oh. I'm not feeling anything.
It's in reverse. You're not going to feel much in reverse. Okay, want to try it to high? .38.
Why would you put it on? Why would you put it on reverse on here?
Well, the idea was that, let's say during the winter time, you know how heat rises, right? So all your heat rises to the ceiling, and you use a fan to bring it back down. But let's say you wanted to use a fan to bring it back down, but you didn't want to feel a cold breeze from the fan. So that's what it was designed for. It really isn't that helpful. I just leave my fans going forward all the time. Okay, want to do the black switch again? We'll just do 0 to 100 and then we'll be done with this one. I don't think we need to do the decade box for 4 blades. We did it for 5.
Works for me.
What are you doing, Abby? Okay.
This part turned a lot.
It did.
What is that supposed to do? Why does it do that?
It's just because of the way it's hanging.
See, it keeps turning.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be okay.
My head hurts again.
Well, you should drink some more water. You don't like drinking enough water. And it's very hot up here.
I had 2 bottles of water today.
No, you didn't. You had like the quarter of a bottle of water that was left, and then you had like a quarter of another bottle of water that was left.
No,
So you
I
in fact
didn't.
emptied 2 bottles, but they were not full to begin with.
No, I didn't. You gave me that first bottle that I drank of it, and it had like this much empty, so I got the same one.
Mm-hmm.
And I finished that one, and I got another one.
Okay, sweetie. You want to try this with 2 blades? Okay, well, I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to take a picture of it for Instagram, but then we can take 2 of the blades off and we can try it with 2.
Okay.
You want to take the other 2 blades off of it?
Yeah.
Okay.